To book a hotel with Afterpay, start by searching for your desired hotel and travel dates on a hotel booking website or app that offers Afterpay as a payment option. Many popular hotel booking platforms such as Expedia, Booking.com, and Hotels.com have partnered with Afterpay to provide flexible payment plans for their customers. Once you have found your hotel and selected your travel dates, proceed to the booking page and review the booking details, including the room type, rate, and any additional fees or charges. Make sure to check if Afterpay is available as a payment option for your booking. If Afterpay is available, select it as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the payment process. You will need to create an Afterpay account or log in to your existing account to proceed with the payment. Afterpay will then split your hotel booking cost into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. You will need to pay the first installment at the time of booking, and the remaining 3 installments will be scheduled automatically. It is essential to review the Afterpay terms and conditions, including the payment schedule and any potential late fees, before confirming your booking. Make sure you understand the payment plan and can commit to making the installment payments on time. To avoid any potential issues, ensure that your Afterpay account is in good standing, and you have sufficient funds to cover the installment payments. It is also crucial to carefully review the hotel's cancellation and refund policies, in case you need to make any changes to your booking. By following these steps, you can easily book a hotel with Afterpay and enjoy the flexibility of paying for your stay in installments. Remember to always review the terms and conditions, and make timely payments to avoid any late fees or charges.